What's the meaning of constructive dismissal? Constructive dismissal. Constructive dismissal.
Constructive dismissal. Constructive dismissal. Constructive dismissal refers to a situation where an employer makes working conditions intolerable for an employee, leading the employee to feel as though they have no choice but to resign. This can occur through various means, such as reducing pay or hours, changing job responsibilities, or creating a hostile work environment. If proven, this can be considered a breach of contract by the employer and may result in the employee being entitled to receive severance pay or even damages. Essentially, it is a way for employees to leave a job while still having legal grounds to seek compensation.